What did you do to him?
I didn't do nothing.
No, what did he do to you?
Like a woman would go, I.
What did he do to you?
Bathroom sex.
He wants.
I had no fabuloso before
He
you came
wants
over.
me to have his baby.
Hey,
That's
listen.
what he wants.
Listen.
He wants
Are
me
you
to have
listening
his
to me?
baby.
Are you drunk?
No.
No, he's not
Listening.
drunk.
Why not?
We need to
He's
get
drunk.
You need another shot.
No.
Shot!
I need no shots.
I'll have your baby.
You need another shot.
I got OPP.
Yeah, I think Dion busted a party, fellas. I think.
I just farted, so I don't know.
Yeah,
Crop
you don't want to
dusted?
be right there.
I'm kidding. I'm fucking with you.
It's like ambrosia.
About farting? No, about this. No, I've re-farted. With your son, Charles, dude. I didn't do nothing. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. I know.
You need a shot. He needs a shot.
No, he does not.
You need a shot.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Charles,
I give it
It's your
Stand up,
fucking
stand
birthday.
up.
You're the
I
ones
guess
supposed to be taking all the
I already
shots.
had it. Dude,
go
I had a
into
heavy
go
shot.
into the kitchen
I don't
and bring
Don't touch it.
the bottle that's in the freezer. It's at the bottom. Are you drunk?
No.
What are you looking for?
Bottom of the
Bring it up. Bring it over.
Where is it?
A what?
I know it's in the bottom of the freezer, but
The
it's
Jaeger.
more special.
No.
Paparazzi, goddammit.
Jaeger.
Watch the baby.
Paparazzi, stop! He needs a beer. Look,
I'll go
This is good later for blackmail.
where are you going?
I was gonna go grab it.
Don't go
Shut
to
up.
the bathroom.
Is our restroom over here?
Who's drunk?
He says it's over there.
Yeah, that.
I go over there because I'm looking for the little girl that he says that.
Go over there. I'll be right there.
He likes the women's bathroom
I'll be right
much
there.
better. That's the problem. You like the women's bathroom much better,
I
yeah.
don't think that's a problem at all.